Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about diagnostic tools for car enthusiasts and professional technicians, the FOXWELL NT710. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use scanner with dealer-level functions at a budget-friendly price, then this one might just be for you. The FOXWELL NT710 is an advanced bi-directional scan tool designed for specific vehicle makes, like BMW, Mercedes, VW, Audi, Toyota, and more. Unlike ordinary OBD2 scanners, this device gives you deep system access, allowing you to run active tests, perform adaptations, and even handle coding and service resets just like a dealership tool. Right out of the box, you'll notice its 7-inch touchscreen display, bright, crisp, and very responsive. It runs on Android OS, which means fast boot time and smooth navigation. You also get Wi-Fi updates, so no need for a PC connection every time you want to update your software. Now let's talk about what it can actually do. The NT710 covers all major vehicle systems: engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, body, chassis, and more. Performs a complete system scan covering all major vehicle modules, including the engine, ABS, SRS, transmission, SAS, TPMS, IMO, battery, oil service, DPF, and air conditioning systems. This ensures in-depth diagnostics and efficient maintenance for enhanced vehicle performance and reliability. This device includes software for one vehicle make. Additional vehicle software can be purchased separately as needed. This bi-directional scan tool allows you to send commands to various systems and components to verify their functionality, covering tests such as evap, fuel pump, cooling fan, and window or door lock operations. It also supports recalibration, adaptation, and configuration of specific components after repairs or replacements, ensuring peak performance and proper system operation. Equipped with over 30 service reset functions, this diagnostic tool includes capabilities such as EPB, oil reset, ABS bleeding, TPS, SAS, TPMS, DPF, injector, BRT, CVT, gear learning, odometer, seat matching, AFA, clutch, language change, windows door, headlamp, transmission adaptation, TCM oil, airbag reset, evap test, tire size change, suspension, and more. Note: some features are only supported on specific models. Kindly confirm before placing an order. Note: certain features are available only on specific vehicle models. Please verify compatibility before making a purchase. After changing the engine oil, reset the service lamp to initiate a new oil life calculation. The service indicator system is designed to notify the driver when the vehicle requires maintenance. ECU coding allows you to customize vehicle settings and unlock hidden features specifically for BMW F and E chassis models. This advanced feature enables personalized configurations and improved vehicle performance, delivering a truly customized driving experience. That's the FOXWELL NT710. Powerful, versatile, and reliable. If you're serious about diagnostics, this tool is absolutely worth a look. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've used the FOXWELL NT710. Or want me to test another FOXWELL tool next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.